Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the NZDayTrading101 channel. My name is Shami and today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about virtual trading. So for those people that are a bit scared to invest or a bit scared to trade with real money, you don't actually have to trade with real money. So the NZX also has a virtual trading platform, and this allows people just to practice being in different stocks. So if you want, so what happens with virtual trading, as you can see here, so this is the website. So to get to this website, just type in virtualtrading.nzx.com and you'll come to this home screen here. And to get started, everything is completely free. This just helps you to get your, just to get a good understanding of what it's like to be in a position, also how to place a trade, how to sell a position. So, and that's what we'll be going through today. So let's get started. So I've got an account here that's all set up, and we're just going to go through it a little bit. So this is the home screen here. So if you go to the NZX Virtual Trading, so this is your account. So here we got account value of 50 grand. So $50,000 account is what you get when you start with this virtual trading. And what you can do with that is, if you want to practice, so ideally most of us won't have 50k to trade with. We'll probably have like 10k, 15k, or even 5k. You can even get started with just 1k. So to actually, so if you don't want to use the 50k, try and use what you would normally use, like let's say like $5,000. So if we have $5,000, we want to get into a position at $5,000 at a time. So we want to buy $5,000 worth of stock, and then we want to sell it. Let's say when it gets to 5,400, now you got $5,400, and then you want to stick another 5,000 in another position. So you want to be trading one at a time. So let's look at the account summary here. So this is just a few trades that I did just randomly, just playing around. So this is a Kathmandu trade. So we'll go through here. So this is the account summary. This is the percentage gain on the account, and this is the total cash you have at the moment. So as you can see down there, now open equity positions, there's a long-term holding in Kathmandu that I was just playing around with. So here we go. So equities held. So here you go. So with your open orders, these are the orders that are open and need to be processed by the broker, but with virtual trading it should be just processed in the short term. So, and then from open orders we'll go into open equity positions. So let's place a trade, shall we? Here we go. So trade equities. So if I wanted to trade, let's say Air New Zealander. So we know that the bid is what the buy price is, and the ask is what the sell price is. So we want to buy let's say we want to buy Air New Zealand stock at 91 cents. So you just type NZ 90, so we're going to about 91 cents. So when you select action, you want to select buy. And when you come down here, when you look at the duration, good until cancel. So all this means is if you select good until cancel, the order will stay open for the market, stay open until you cancel it. Good for day means that it'll, at the end of the day, if the order doesn't go through, it'll just cancel the order. Now we just want to enter a quantity. So I have spoke about this in my previous videos on how to figure out how much quantity we want. So if we just grab our calculator again, so let's say we want a $5,000 worth of Air New Zealand at 91 cents. So we just go, 5,000 divided by 90 cents. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So we want 5,555 shares. So it'll get us roughly about $5,000. And now we're just going to go at the market price. So the market price is the ask, which is 91 cents. So I usually use limit orders. So the market price, sometimes when you enter at the market price, it doesn't seem to get executed sometimes. So I like to use limit orders. So so if the ask is at 91, then I like to go 92, because then I know that my order will be filled. Because sometimes you're just rushing into the price and you can't even grab that price because buyers are all trying to get into it at once. So let's say, cool, and don't forget to put a 0.91, And now here we can just preview the order. So as you can see, the estimated cost will be around about $5,000, and then you'll simply push place order here. Cool. And once you place the order, you go back to my account and you'll see that your open order is here in New Zealand, and you want to buy 5,555 shares at a limit price of 91 cents. If you do want to cancel it, then you can just cancel it here. Make sure you want to cancel this order. Yes, cancel order. Cool. So that's how you buy a share, and vice versa, you can sell a share. So if you want to sell a share, then you just go to trade equities and you'll just type in like if you want to sell Kathmandu, go here, sell, go until cancel, then you'll enter the quantity, whatever you want to sell. Want to sell it like whatever Kathmandu is, the price, $1. When it hits $1, then you'll just go place order and it will sell Kathmandu. So this is a really good way to get started with trading. So even investing as well. So if you want to be a long-term investor and you're not comfortable putting in money at the moment, definitely use virtual trading. This not only helps you to gain knowledge of how to buy and sell orders, but it also gives you that mental sort of approach as well. So you can mentally know, because a lot of trading is mental. It's not really, it's about having a plan, sticking to it, and controlling emotions. So controlling emotions is key. So this here will build up your knowledge about how to buy and sell shares, how to see if your plan is working. So if you have a trading plan or strategy and you want to test it, then definitely use this to test it. But however, this won't teach you the emotional side. So if you want to really delve into the emotional side of things, you'll do that when you actually place a proper trade into the market. And you'll basically just start small and you'll increase your size and you'll increase your size more and more at a level that you're comfortable with. So yeah, so that's it for today, guys. So I hope I taught you guys something today in terms of you know, you can practice in the market, you can practice trading, and please hit like and subscribe to my channel. So subscribers help me stay on this channel, helps me build that motivation to keep teaching you guys how to day trade and also build a side income for the future. So stay tuned for the next video.